Do you know that Boeing 737 engines had 4 in-flight shutdowns in few days? The Federal Aviation Administration has ordered an emergency inspection of about 2,000 Boeing 737 aeroplanes because of a possible engine valve problem that could lead to an engine failure. CFM engines are installed on these aircrafts. This emergency AD was prompted by 4 recent reports of single-engine in-flight shutdowns due to engine bleed air fifth stage check valve being stuck open. Corrosion of the fifth stage check valve internal parts has happened due to the prolonged grounding of aircrafts due to corona pandemic. This valve opens normally at takeoff power. It may become stuck in the open position during flight and fail to close when the power is reduced at top of descent. It can result in reverse flow of bleed air and unrecoverable compressor stall and damages and the inability to restart the engine. Corrosion of these valves on both the engines could result in a dual engine power loss without the ability to restart. Airworthiness Directive requires inspection of the fifth stage check valve immediately on each engine and replacement of the check valve if the inspection is not passed. Inspection can be performed in 3 to 4 hours. This is the schematic of CFM 56 engine bleed air system. At low engine speeds, high stage valve opens and allows 9 stage air to pass through the engine bleed valve to aircraft systems. The 5th stage air is not sufficient for pneumatic system demands. 5th stage check valve closes as the 9 stage air pressure is higher and prevents the reverse flow back to the engine. Engine bleed valve controls the air pressure and opens and closes according to the pilot's requirement. At higher engine speeds, the high stage valve closes automatically and the 5th stage check valve opens to supply bleed air. This is the 3D view of the 5th stage check valve. Emergency Airworthiness Directive 2020-16-51 requires inspection of the check valve internal flappers, hinge pins, bushings for sign of corrosion and difficulty in moving the flappers. The inspection is expected to be over within few days.